Hello my students, how are you? Prep 2. Today we'll explain from weekly assessment number 5 from performance day and assessments from second book. First question, choose the correct answer. The straight line which represents the function f of x equal to x minus 6 intersects x-axis the point what? But here intersects x-axis, it's meaning y equals 0. Y equals 0. What is y here? Y it's meaning f of x. F of x is the image. The meaning f of x will be equal 0 because the straight line intersected the x-axis. It's meaning y equals 0. The image will be 0. Then f of x equals 0. We have f of x was 2x minus 6. Then 2x minus 6 equals 0. Then 2x will be 6. Then the value of x equals 6 divided by 2 equal 3. The value of x here will be equal 3. Next question. Number 2. We have the function f from r to r and f of x is a constant function equal 5. Then f of 2 plus f of 7 equal f of 2 will be 5. F of 7 will be 5 also. The image of 2 will be 5. Image of 7 it will be 5. 5 plus 5 equal 10. The result here will be 10. Next question. Representing graphically function f of x was equal to x plus 3. You can draw a table like this and write any point of x and the image f of x. Put like 0, 0 plus 3 equals 3. Put 1, 1 plus 3, 4. Put 2, 2 plus 3, 5. Now we can draw vertical and horizontal, x-axis and y-axis. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 0 with 3. 1 with 4, 2 with 5, and then draw a straight line by ruler. Okay, use ruler like this and draw straight line. Okay, next question. Number 2 represents the function. Here we have constant function. We can draw a straight line section y-axis at the point 0 and 4. And the parallel to x-axis like this, the point 0 and 4 here, parallel to x-axis. Okay, next question number 3. F of x was equal to x plus b and the point 2 and 10 pointing to the function. Let's make 2 and 10 pointing to f of x. Then f of x will be y. Y will be 10 equal 2 times x, 2 times 2 equal 4. 4 plus b, then the value of b will be equal 6. Okay, then the function f of x will be equal to x plus b. B was 6. He won't find the value of the function when x equal 4. F of 4 equal, what x equal 4? 2 times 4 plus 6. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 6 equal 14. Then the answer will be 14. Next question. Model letter B. Show the correct answer. The straight line passing through the point what and what section x-axis. It's meaning y equals 0. It's meaning f of x will be equal 0. F of x here was 5x minus 10. Then 5x minus 10 equals 0 at x equal 2. 5 times 2, 10. Then the value of x it will be 2. Understood? Next question. We have f of 3. We want f of 3. He give me the constant function f of x equal 4. He want to find f of 3 plus f of 7. F of 3 it will be 4 and f of 7 it will be 4. 4 plus 4 equal 8. Then the answer here will be 8. Second, represents the function f of x equal x plus 1. You can graphically like this, draw brackets, our table, write x and f of x, write 0, 1, 2, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1 equal 2, 2 plus 1, 3, and then draw 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3, 0 with 1, 1 with 2, 2, 3, and then draw by ruler straight line passing through 3 points like this. Okay, understood? Okay, next question, we have constant function here. F of x was equal to, you can draw a straight line intersection y-axis at the point 0 and 2 and parallel to x-axis. We have question here number 3. We have f of x was equal x plus m, and we have the point 1 and 8 falling to f of x. See, satisfies. Put x equal 1 and y equal 8. In the value of m equal 8 minus 1 equals 7. Then f of x will be equal x plus 7. Now we can find f of 3. Write 3 here. 3 plus 7 equal 10. Next question. Model letter C. Choose the correct answer. The straight line passing through the point what intersect x-axis. It's meaning y equals 0. It's meaning f of x will be equal 0. What's the mean? It's meaning 3x minus 12 equals 0. Then 3x equal 12. Then x equal 12 divided by 3 equal 4. And the point will be what? Will be 4 and 0. Okay, and last question about letter B, model B. I solve model B also like this. I found x equal 3. The point here will be 3 and 0. Intersection x-axis, meaning y will be 0. Then we have 3 and 0. This model letter A. Okay. And the model letter B also. Or is this letter B here? Letter B also, the point will be 2 and 0. Choose letter D because f of x equals 0. 5 times 2 minus 10 equals 0. Okay. Now I will complete model letter C. First solution, we have 4 and 0. Choose letter D, 4 and 0. Next question, we have function f of x constant was 3. Then f of 1 plus f of 6 equal. We have 3 plus 3 equals 6. The answer will be 6. Revising graphically, f of x equal x plus 4. We can draw a table like this. X and f of x. 0, 0 plus 4 equal 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 4 equals 6. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 was 5. And 2 is 6. You can draw a straight line here. Next function, f of x was 1, constant function. You can draw a straight line, cut y-axis and the point 0 and 1. This is question number 2. Number 3, he gave me the function f of x was equal to x plus b. Okay, we have the point 3 and 10 belonging to f of x. Then the point here satisfies the function. F of x will be 10. Then we have 10 equal 2 times 3, 6, 6 plus b. And the value of b equals 10 minus 6, 4. Then f of x will be equal to x plus 4. Then he won't find the value of f of 5. Put x equal 5. 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. And the result will be 14.